And hello everyone, welcome back to our next video. Today we'll be doing a new type of video. We're going to unbox my next phone. So it is the Xiaomi Redmi 9C, and here are some of the specs. So it is the 3GB RAM and 64GB storage version. Now let's get started. Okay, only some less content. Ah, that's pretty good. Nah. So this phone is quite an upgrade from this one I have right here, the Samsung Galaxy J4 core with 1GB of RAM and 16GB of storage. So at the top we have the phone, and we'll get to that in a second. Inside of the box we get our SIM card tool, our SIM ejector, and in here we have our manual. I'll be spending time with this later. In here we have, I believe, our 10-watt charging adapter. We have our charging cable, and I believe that is about it. Yes, that is about it. Pretty cool. Now let's get to the spicy part of this video, the one we're all waiting for. So here we have the phone. I chose the black version, and I'm quite satisfied with how it looks. Alright, so let's get it started up. There we go. Alright, and now we can actually see the phone. Okay, so that's pretty cool. Let's go in, and yeah, I'll go United Kingdom. That should be perfectly fine. Yes, I'm in South Africa, and I've read all of that, or I will at least. And we have to insert a SIM. Cool. Then we have to connect to a network. It's checking for updates. Well, that's fine. We can wait. I'll take this away while we do. While we wait for that, we can check the phone. So here at the side we have our dual SIM and memory card slot. Here at the top we have our headphone jack. At the back we have our fingerprint sensor, our 3 cameras, and some branding. And then at the bottom we have our charging port and our speakers and our microphone. On this side right here we have our power switch and our volume switch. Again, here we do not want it to use my location. Don't want to send anything, I like my privacy a little bit. Well, considering this is a phone from China, I believe, I guess that doesn't matter too much anyways, but yeah, let's just say accept there. Alright, and here we can do our fingerprint and our security. So let's start with fingerprint. And I need a password, that sucks. And there we go, add your fingerprint. Okay, so okay, that's, and there we go. Move your finger slightly. Alright. And that was fairly simple. You can say done. Alright, and I'm pretty sure I already said, no, oh wait, this is for apps, but yeah, it's perfectly fine. I don't want any of them anyways. System updates we can keep, and we don't want personalized ads. Okay, there we go. And here they gave us the classic or the app drawer. Now, app drawer, I do like that because I don't like to have my screens full of apps unless it's inside of the app drawer. I'm very happy that they added that, so I'll just say continue there. And then this setup is complete. While we wait, we can look at my beautiful little tort. Alright, so let's see here. We do have the drawer and I love it. I love having everything just here perfectly. It does seem like we do have a lot of bloat, and there we got a little bit of lag, and we have 2 Netflixes. That's strange. And we have a lot of games. Oh wow, there's a lot of bloat. Pretty sure we can delete most of it. If we can't, I'll probably find a hack around it. But yeah, this is pretty neat. And let's see here. Oh, dat ik stil nog now. So the first boot up. Oh, here we go. And here we go. So the first boot up is incredibly slow, but I believe that is normal. But it should speed up probably fairly soon. Oh wow, my entire screen turned off there. And let's test out the fingerprint and see how fast it is. And that was fairly quick. We can just say okay, we didn't need it to respond. Alright, so let's drag down here. And wow, this looks a lot like maybe something you'd see in Apple actually. But that is pretty nice still. So for the next few months, I'll be using this phone and then I'll give a review on it, tell you how much better it is than, or worse it is than my previous Samsung I had. And yeah, so let's, one thing before we continue, test out the camera so you all can see baby Tort, or should I rather say
Tortoise.
and see how cute it is up close.
Impressive.
I didn't mean iets te gebruiken. So I have no idea how to use any of these settings. I'll have to learn it because I'm a noob. And this is our 10 times zoom, it seems. Yeah, baby Tort.
Tortoise.
Problem.
Yep.
And yeah, that is it for this video, guys. In the next video, I will show you how to, or I will do a review on it. Oh, he's a little scared. Come here. So I will do a review on it, and you guys can see for yourselves if this is the type of phone you might want as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you all enjoyed, and I'll see you all again in the next video.